Finally, I can drive the monster truck! Huh? No! Oh, please, just move. This stinks. If I wash it, it just might work. Peter, I'm here! Huh? Just a second. It'll be just fine. Plug it in. Oh! You all right? Oh. Ah! Fire!
Plugging or unplugging anything with wet hands is very, very dangerous. If something is wet, you can get a serious electrical shock. If you unplug something by pulling the cord, you can strip it and get shocked by the exposed wire. Instead, always hold the plug tightly. Finally, never plug too many plugs in one outlet at the same time. It can overheat and cause a fire.